Before I announce this 8th grader's name for the Mason Award, allow me to make some comments about him. My hat is off to him for his determination as he worked so diligently through distance education. When the student logged into our Zoom sessions, I would see his name along with the 3 bouncing dots in the corner of the screen. For those of you who don't know, that means he's waiting for his internet to connect. Sometimes it might take 20 or 30 seconds, which can seem like an eternity when you're on a Chromebook. But he never gave up. He never gave in to his frustrations. And I know he was frustrated. I heard it from his mom. But for this student, my parting words for you is this: never give up. Keep trying. No matter what life throws at you or how slow your internet might be, in the end, people will not remember how slow the internet is, but how you never gave up. So it is my great pleasure and honor to announce Graysen Gardner for the Masons Award. Thank you.